what's so funny, and we went through some vocabulary related to comedy. Some of colored jokes, observational comedians. We read about Jerry Seinfeld. And today, we're going to continue with the grammar section. Okay, we're going to talk about tag questions. Emmanuel, can you please read about tag questions?
Sure. Tag questions. A tag question is a question added to the end of a statement. Tag questions are used to either confirm or query a conclusion. They often indicate the speaker's attitude about a topic.
Okay, in your own words, Emmanuel, how would you define tag questions? And most importantly, what would you say their usage is all about?
Well, I would define it as some clause you add to the end of a statement to reinforce, to confirm, and to give hints about your attitude.
Okay.
About something.
Very good. Pedro, can you please read the first section?
Tag questions include a pronoun and auxiliary verbs. They comment on a preceding statement.
Can you read the examples, Pedro, please?
You haven't read that, have you? We laughed so hard at a joke, did we? Do you think so, do you?
Okay, so now, Pedro, I want you to notice that in the first case, the statement is negative and the tag is affirmative. And the second one is the opposite. But the third one, both are affirmative. Why do you think that is, Pedro?
I think that the asker is not so sure about what the listener thinks about what is asking.
Wait, what he's asking about. Rafael, do you agree?
Yes.
And what do you think, Emmanuel?
Well, I think that's right.
Or
Or
maybe he just wants to make the person think the way that he thinks. I mean,
Okay.
are you sure? Are you like that? You haven't do that.
you haven't done that.
Have
But
you?
in this case, is you think so, do you?
You think so? Do you? He wants to answer like,
He wants
yeah,
to
I
check.
think so too, just like
Okay. Okay,
He wants to check.
he wants to check. Okay, Claudio, can you please read the second case?
He is really fun.
No, affirmative
okay.
statement plus negative tag. What happens with the speaker in this case? The speaker,
He is expecting affirmative.
an affirmative answer. So the speaker assumes that the listener agrees. So the expected answer is yes. The anticipated answer is yes. Claudio, can you please read the first example here?
He is really fun, isn't he?
So this is when you expect the person to agree with you. Emmanuel, Luis Chate is very funny, isn't he?
No, I don't think so.
But in this case, basically, I'm asking him, hey, I'm expecting him to say yes, and I wanted him to say yes. Unfortunately, he disagreed with me. Okay, Edrina, can you read the next example?
We'll come to show tonight, won't we?
You'll come to the show tonight, won't you? So what is the anticipated answer?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, so when you say, you're coming to my party tonight, aren't you? It's like, please come. The anticipated answer is yes. Okay, so a negative answer would be a surprise for me. And I would like Jose to read the last case, please.
Negative statement plus positive tag equals the speaker assumes that the listener agrees with a negative point of view. The anticipated answer is no.
Is not, but agreeing with my opinion, with the speaker's opinion. Can you read the example, Jose?
She isn't a very good actress, is she?
Okay. So can you give me an example substituting the actress for a name?
A name?
A name. As an example, Gabi Spino isn't a good actress, is she? So she. Yes. So I think maybe she isn't a good actress. So
But I
that's
like
why.
her.
But you could ask me, like, Luis Chatain isn't a very good comedian, is he? So I will answer no.
Okay, that was a great example. And since you already mentioned it, can you give me an example with this one, Emmanuel? The
So Kelly couldn't understand the joke, could she?
Kelly, did you understand the joke?
Yes.
Okay, she never understands it. Very good. And I want you to understand that in other contexts, that questions can be used to anticipate disagreement or an emotional response. And also, I would like you to be aware that you'll sometimes hear the ungrammatical expression, aren't I, in a tag question. This is an ungrammatical expression. This, even though, nevertheless, is very common in casual speech. But I say, I'm right, aren't I? But again, this is an ungrammatical expression and I advise you not to use it. Okay? Do you understand this?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No.
You understand this?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.